guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we will show you how to remove or how to replace serpentine belt guys on BMW F10 guys. This is the 5 Series BMW guys. You can see more about it in the description of the video below guys. Quick introduction, every single car we get in the shop guys, including this one here, we make at least 200 to 300 videos guys. We take them completely apart. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you money guys and teach you how to fix your car for free. So please guys, all we need in return, subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need any help, leave a comment below guys. Okay, and that way we'll get an idea, okay, how to help you and what video to make next. Now, if you need to buy replacement belt, parts, anything like that, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. In the description of the video below guys, for your convenience. So check it out and let's start on it now. For the serpentine belt, you do not have to remove the air filter box, but it gives you way more room to work with, so I would recommend it. If you want to see how to do that, we'll have the video on the channel. It's called air filter box removal on BMW F10 528. So check it out if you need help with that. So let me show you now guys. Okay, this is where your serpentine belt is located. Okay, this is the belt. You can see this is your AC compressor right here, alternator on top. You have a tensioner pulley right there and the crankshaft pulley. Very short belt, not very complicated at all. So altogether it goes from the crankshaft to the AC compressor, up to the alternator and then to the tensioner pulley. So how we guys fix it now? Okay, how we remove it? 16mm socket guys. We go ahead. Okay, grab it there and you go clockwise guys. Okay, push down clockwise. Okay, the belt will release once you push down and you just grab it and pull it out of the pulley guys. Perfect. And we can grab the belt and pull it out. Okay, let's see what's happening here, because the ratchet got stuck there in the AC pipe, but that's good. It will just hold it there for us, so we don't need to worry about that. We can just leave it like that, and we can go ahead and remove it in a little bit. So you can see the belt is out. So that's how you guys remove it. As you can see, not too complicated putting it together. Okay, stay with us and we'll show you how to do that. Not very complicated. If you need to buy a new belt guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. So we'll go ahead guys, get the belt and install it. How we do that? First we're going to go to the crankshaft. Very important guys to go to the crankshaft pulley first. Okay, and after that from the crankshaft we're going to jump, okay, to the AC compressor. From the AC compressor, okay, we need to go under the tensioner pulley, and from there, okay, we're going to go all the way up, okay, all the way up to the, okay, check it out now, to the alternator. So I'm going to go down, okay, clockwise until one person can get the belt on. Okay, this is it. The most I can go guys, stretched all the way. Now I'm going to release the tensioner and the belt will get tight. One thing to check guys, make sure that you align all the grooves everywhere, okay, on the alternator, on the AC compressor, and on the crankshaft pulley and the tensioner pulley as well. That way you will not destroy the new belt when you put it, because if it's off one tooth you will destroy the belt. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.